To show you how I do these videos. Generally, when I see these, it looks like somebody's going to be doing more than one of these. So instead of setting this up on an individual page, what I'm doing is setting this up on a publication. And so you'll see here that there is a new Worship Online publication. And what we want to do is click Add Article here. And then we can title this, so I'll just say Jerry Test, and we'll leave it for April 1st. And then you'll see here there's an embed video link. So where do we get that from? Well, the easiest way to do this, and I've done this with a bunch of churches, is to go to studio.youtube.com. And you may need to create an account if you don't already have one, but studio.youtube.com, and then you're going to go create, and you're going to click upload a video. Then we're going to select that MP4 video, because MP4 is not really a format for web browsers, and so we need a web browser format. So we're just going to go ahead and add these. I'm going to click this. I'm going to click this. I'm going to go ahead and leave this as public, but I'll delete it once I've got it done. So we're going to click publish. So those 3 steps are going to get this video uploading. And then while that's uploading, we're going to click the embed, and we're going to copy this. So I'm just going to click that little button and copy all of this, and then come back over to the publication. I'm just going to paste that in there just exactly as it is. And now, so I've got a title. I haven't even adjusted the dates. I've clicked embed video. I've pasted the upload there, and now I'm going to click create article. So now if I go open this publication, we'll see here it is, Grace Worship Online, and there's Jerry Test. If you add another one to this publication, if we were to add another article, it's going to show up here in order. People can click that right there, or they can click this detail page. On the detail page, you might want to include some more content. So this is a link to some document, or something, and then we could just click the link, and I'm just going to put a little place in there just to create it. Now let's update this article, and we can refresh, and now we'll see here's the link. So maybe you wanted to put a link to a Bible verse or some other church resources. You could put that right underneath there and have that information there. Let's go one more here. We just kind of back up. We'll see in this little quick view it's there as well. And then lastly, it may be that you'd like to have the most recent one of these on the home page. So here we see upcoming events. If we go to the home page, we can now see, let's see, there's the home page, and let's just go to feed 1. Well, let's not do that. Let's go to feed 4, for instance, and here we'll see there's the publication Worship Online, and we could just add the most recent one if we wanted. So I'm just going to click update. I'm going to come back over to the home page and refresh it, and we should see this. There it is, right there. That is the feed. So I'm gonna change this back to Zippo just so that it doesn't confuse anyone. And I'm gonna click update. And now we'll see that gone. So there, it's back to as it was. So that's how I would do it, Jerry. I would just go ahead and add additional articles to this. And when you do, you'll see title, date, that kind of stuff. You can put whatever else you want. You might want to include a little image, but you can just go ahead and drop that iframe code right in there. Thanks.